How to transfer money from Payoneer to Binance. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to create or sign up for your Payoneer account. And then in order for you to, link your Payoneer or in order for you to transfer money from Payoneer to Binance, you need to open a bank account. Okay, so in order to do that, you can go to Payoneer cards and then buy or order a Payoneer card. But I just want to tell you that you must have an available balance at least 100 USD for you to be able to order or get a Payoneer card. Once you have your Payoneer card and you have the details of that, then you can use the details, especially if you want to connect it to your PayPal or to your Binance. So as you can see, this is how you're going to order a card. All you have to do is to go to payoneer.customerhelp.com and you will see here the instructions. So that's it. First is you have to get your Payoneer card. So once you have your Payoneer card, and then you can go to your Binance, create an account or sign up, and then go to buy crypto. So in buy crypto, if you want to buy or if you want to sell something like that, of course, first you have to be verified. So as you can see here, I am not yet verified. I have to submit some documents in order for me to be verified here on crypto. So once you're verified or once you have submitted all the requirements needed, and then you can simply, buy and sell or even accept money from Payoneer. So all you have to do is to simply go to deposit or go to buy crypto, and then there you will see their buy and sell. So let's just say you want to buy or spend 100 USD. After that, you have to click continue. And then after you click continue, we see there add a card. You have to click that one. And then there, after you tap that, you can now enter the information or the card that you have created from your Payoneer, or let's just say your Payoneer card. So all you have to do is to input your name, your credit card number, expiry date, security code, and then click confirm. And that's it. After that, you can now transfer money from Payoneer to Binance. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.